A lot of time on Facebook you see these things that people have said and that people want to share. And it's mostly a picture and then there are some words. But here I want to show you a beautiful example of how you can do that in a visually attractive way. Pen and zoom. So it is a still image. It's a drawing and you sort of go over the drawing in a different perspective. You can do that in a lot of programs, like Camtasia, but also in Explain.io, and there are even special programs for it, pen and zoom. The second thing that is nice is the way the words are coming on to the screen. First you have a font that is thin, science is the captain, then sentence for sentence it comes up, and that makes you really read it. And then the most accent, of course, they have a different font, or they have I don't know how you call it. So it is about, I think, 1 minute 10 or something, 1 minute 8. And of course the music. So this is really very nicely made. It makes you want to look the whole video, which is only 1 minute long. That gives you a lot of information about things that Leonardo da Vinci said. It had 30,000 views. This is how you can do it. Have fun!